The big name of the Yamaha YZF-R series is very attached as a fast sports bike from Yamaha, but the presence of the latest generation, the YZF-R7, which arguably has a lower spec than the R6, makes many bikers a little disappointed. Well, again, Extreme Creations, which is a modification house from Australia, made a turbo kit to boost the performance of this Yamaha YZF-R7. Well, what kind of changes were made and how much power increase from this motor after installing this turbo kit? As we know, the Yamaha R7 was born only using the MT-07 based 689 cubic centimeters dual-cylinder engine, which was originally intended as a naked motorcycle. So it was not a speeding motorcycle for this reason. Many think that the R7 engine is actually a downgrade from the R6, which has an image as a fast motorcycle, with its 600 cubic centimeters four-cylinder engine. The power that can be generated by the R7's parallel twin engine is only stuck at 74.8 horsepower with torque at 68 Nm. Now, with the addition of a turbo kit made by Extreme Creations, it can boost the power of this motorbike engine to 112 horsepower at 7.5 psi, and to 125 horsepower with extra boost, which of course requires further modifications. With an increase of almost 50 horsepower, of course, makes the performance of this motorcycle so much more powerful. But unfortunately, again, they have not tested on the track about how much top speed can be achieved after the installation of this turbo kit. But several times this motorcycle is used for drag race purposes and the results are quite good. And in the drag event, the Yamaha R7 with this turbo kit was able to blast through the quarter-mile or 402-meter track in just 10.9 seconds and recorded a speed of 201 kilometers per hour. For reference, this is only 0.3 seconds slower than a 200 horsepower Harley-Davidson and just as fast as a 2016 Nissan GT-R via CarWow. For additional information in standard conditions, the new generation Yamaha R7 is able to shoot at 223 kilometers per hour, which means it will be even faster when the turbo kit device is installed on the exhaust stem of this motorcycle. The cool thing is that even though the turbo kit has been installed on this Yamaha R7, the appearance is not much sacrificed because it can be installed neatly without changing the shape of the body much. The turbo kit itself can be purchased on the official website of Extreme Creations, which consists of several package options with many parts in it. Extreme Creations itself priced this turbo kit in several packages, but if the most complete package you have to spend $4,275 and Yamaha R7 itself. The price is different in each country.